Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to factorize the following, that's x to the power of 6 minus y to the power of 6 by applying various factorization rule. That is, my difference of two squares and sum and difference of two cubes. So a quick recap, if I have two perfect squares subtracting each other, that is if I have 8 squared minus b squared, to factorize, that's going to be a minus b multiplying a plus b. If I have a cube minus b cube, to factorize, that's difference of two cubes, I have that as a minus b multiplying a squared, then the sign changes to plus a times b, then plus b squared. And the last but not the least, if I have a cube plus b cube, if I factorize, that's a minus b, then I have a squared, the sign changes, that's minus ab, then the plus at the end remains the same, plus b squared, close bracket. So therefore, in this expression, I'm going to be applying these three rules. So starting with the squares, if I rewrite x to the power of 6 minus y to the power of 6, and I want to apply the difference of two squares, a quick recap, law of exponents states that if I have a to the power of x or raised to the power of y is the same as a to the power of x times y. So if I break that down, I have it as x to the power of 3 all squared minus y to the power of 3 all squared. Therefore, that's going to be difference of two squares, x cube minus y cube multiplying x cube plus y cube. So if you look at what I have in the bracket, that is the difference of two cube and the sum of two cube. So the first expansion I did, this was my a and this my b, and I was able to use the expansion shown. Then I'll move to the difference of two cubes using this expansion. In this case, my x cube here will be my a and my y cube here will be my b. So therefore, using the difference of two cube expansion, that will be my x minus y multiplying x squared plus xy plus y squared. And for the second bracket, my x squared still remains my a and my y on x cube, then my y cube will be my b, and using the last but not the least expansion, that's the sum of two cubes, I have that as x plus y multiplying x squared minus x times y plus y squared. So therefore, factorizing x to the power of 6 minus y to the power of 6 will give me the expansion shown. Thanks for watching. Bye.